This is a flat bar roller. It's got two parts to it. It's got the stop section with a handle, and then it's got a bottom section with these two sets of bearings. And the idea is you basically stick the bar in the middle, apply pressure from the top down, and then you roll it and it applies a radius. And the radius depends on the distance between the top and the bottom sections. So we've got here 20mm by 3 flat bar. Just going to place it under there. Tighten it. Select your sort of how far you're going to go, that determines the radius. And you just roll it. Tighten down a bit more. Definitely beats trying to bend it by hand, and it's never straight. And then of course you can keep going, and this is sort of, you can make a full circle if you wanted to or whatever. So yeah, seems to have worked out pretty well. And of course you just loosen it. And there you go.